cheap saint on my dashboard, a borrowed faith for the road. Underneath the dashboard light, guiding me through the night. I don't know what I believe in, just need something to keep me leaning. I'm not holy, just well lit in this artificial twilight. Every flicker, every spark leaves a temporary mark. Plastic saint, plastic prayer, let the cheap glow keep me there. I'm not sorry, just sincere in this fluorescent atmosphere. Yeah, this fluorescent atmosphere. Yeah, this fluorescent atmosphere. The rain begins to fall on the cinder block wall. Tiny puddles start to gleam, reflecting a broken dream. And those hollow eyes, they seem to follow me. A silent scream. I'm not holy, just well lit in this artificial twilight. Every flicker, every spark leaves a temporary mark. Plastic saint, plastic prayer, let the cheap glow keep me there. I'm not sorry, just sincere in this fluorescent atmosphere. Yeah, this fluorescent atmosphere. Yeah, this fluorescent atmosphere. Sodium orange starts to fade, a cyan flicker. Unafraid, then dawn pink begins to creep, secrets that the shadows keep. Plastic saint, plastic prayer, almost divine beyond compare. In this motel parking lot, I swear at 9:59, I'm caught right there. Yeah, this fluorescent